morning, everybody. It's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have a ScentBird for you. ScentBird is an amazing subscription. I used to get it all the time before I even knew that subscription boxes were the cool thing to do, but when I moved to Nebraska from Tennessee, I decided to cancel it until I got all settled. But what I would do is 1 month I would order a perfume, and the next month I would order a cologne from Mike, and we would swap back and forth. So then when I picked up ScentBird again after being away from it for so long, I found out that there were all kinds of things. They have candles, they have makeup, they have skincare now, all kinds of stuff, and you get them for $14.99 a month. Now, I think sometimes there might be an upcharge for some of the more expensive items, but I have not found that as of yet. Before I get started and show you what's in my box, I do just want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Miranda, and this is Doing Life. And I do all kinds of unboxings and lifestyle videos and vlogs, including some decorating. So stick around, there's probably something hopefully you'll enjoy. All right, so let's get into this month's ScentBird box. All right, so here's my card, and then this is my box. So you can see I got a candle this month, and it says hello up there. It's a really cute box, and you know, if I'm gonna send a giveaway or anything, I always keep these little boxes, and then I can reuse them. All right, so this is what the candle looks like, and then this is the lid. And it's Earl Grey and Blackberry. And it says Earl Grey and Blackberry scented candle, a cozy cup of tea infused with bergamot, freshly picked blackberries that evokes the ultimate Sunday in bed. Here's to a brighter, lighter, at-home experience. Handcrafted in the USA, our candles are made from slow-burning soy wax blend. Make today smell ridiculously amazing. And then the lid just pops off there. And there's the candle. And this, I have like, I don't want to call it a wet bar because there's no sink, but if you've been around my channel before, you've seen me decorate this area in my dining room. And it's just got like a counter and open shelving over the top of it, but that's where I keep my coffee maker and my hot chocolate and my booze. Anything that is a drink or a snack, I keep it in this area of my dining room. So that is probably where I'm going to keep this candle. And it does smell good. It smells just like tea. Ooh, and it feels like a good soy candle. So that's nice. I look forward to burning that in my dining room. I don't know about y'all, but I'm always burning more foodie scents in my kitchen or my dining room, and then you know, whatever like the season is, like fall or a Halloween candle or a Christmas candle in my living spaces. Okay, I did want to tell you, last month I didn't do the unboxing, but because it came kind of late, I forgot to change my shipping address. So my ScentBird for September actually went to my old address in Tennessee, and it got sent back. And so anyways, I just thought that I would show you what I got in last month's ScentBird box as well. And that was a deck of Scarlet palette, and it is so pretty. I have used it a couple of times and I love it. So I'll show you what kind of palette you can get in your ScentBirds. So there is the actual palette, and it is a face palette. So those were the colors. So you've got cheek colors, you've got a highlighter, you've got some lip colors, and then you've got eye colors down here. And I'll swatch them for you really quick. are the colors. And let's see, that one, the Obsessed is kind of a blushy pink, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I really enjoyed using the purple. You can see that blush pink just a little bit. And then, let's see, the highlighter and the cheek color. And I think I used the cheek color on my eyes. So there's that. And then the lip color is called Undone. It's a brown, and I'm not a brown girl, but there's the lip color, and then you probably can't see the gloss. But I got that for $14.99, so really pretty. I'll show you again. Pretty. So if you would like to try ScentBird for yourself, I think that you get your second month for free. So I'll leave a link down below so you can try ScentBird for yourself. $14.99 a month, and you can choose, like I said, any kind of cologne, perfume, candles, a face palette from a deck of Scarlet, or skincare, all kinds of stuff. So I hope that you will decide to give ScentBird a try for yourself and use that code below to get a free month. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out the door, and give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, either way. It really does help